My name is Yuval Yarom. I'm heading the chair for computer security and I am a CASA PI. During university, I worked a bit in National Semiconductors, which produced CPUs. That's where I had my exposure to how computers are built. After several years, I decided it was time to leave the company and I joined a new startup as one of the founders. It was a lot of fun, but after some time I decided that it was time to go back to academia. I moved to Australia, did a PhD there and continued from there. After that, academia, had a position in Adelaide and now I'm here. My current research focuses on two main areas. The first, called microarchitectural security, where we test security implications of the way that computer vendors design their CPUs. And the other is cryptographic code optimization, where the aim is to generate code that performs cryptography and does it securely and fast. It's a different way of thinking. Engineers think how to make the system do what they want. And in security, we think of how to make the system do what it is not designed to do. Teaching is one of the stage arts. When I go to teach, I am on a stage. I have anywhere between 5 and 500 students as the audience. My job is to make them want to learn it. So one of the things that I do is give students chocolate. I always bring a pack of small chocolates that whenever a student participates, and it doesn't matter if they say something correct, it doesn't matter if they say something wrong, they get a chocolate. I throw that because large classroom and throwing things is helpful because everyone has to at least pay attention to where I am and what I am doing. CASA is a team of people that all try to achieve similar aims, each in their own way, but it's all fit really well together. And that's because of that it's a great place to be part of, because it let each of us grow so much that just would have been much harder without that. Other thing is that everyone is friendly. No one is competitive to the way of trying to be better than others. It is really an excellent environment for work. People are nice. Work conditions are good. Collaborations are brilliant. My students do excellent work. Nothing to complain about. And I wake up every morning excited to go to the office.